When did they arrive? When did they arrive?
They arrived an hour ago. They arrived an hour ago.
Did you turn off the fan before leaving the room? Did you turn off the fan before leaving the room?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
When did she start working here? When did she start working here?
She started 2 years ago. She started 2 years ago.
Did you charge your phone before sleeping? Did you charge your phone before sleeping?
Yes, it's fully charged now. Yes, it's fully charged now.
When did your class finish? When did your class finish?
It finished 30 minutes ago. It finished 30 minutes ago.
Did you close the windows before going out? Did you close the windows before going out?
Yes, I closed them. Yes, I closed them.
When did you call him? When did you call him?
I called him yesterday evening. I called him yesterday evening.
Have you done this kind of work before? Have you done this kind of work before?
Yes, I have some experience. Yes, I have some experience.
When did the baby sleep? When did the baby sleep?
About half an hour ago. About half an hour ago.
What did you eat before dinner? What did you eat before dinner?
Just a few biscuits. Just a few biscuits.
When did your cousin move abroad? When did your cousin move abroad?
He moved a year ago. He moved a year ago.
Did you check your email before leaving work? Did you check your email before leaving work?
Yes, everything is up to date. Yes, everything is up to date.
When did you last go to the beach? When did you last go to the beach?
I went 3 months ago. I went 3 months ago.
Did you try this recipe before today? Did you try this recipe before today?
No, it's my first time cooking it. No, it's my first time cooking it.
When did you lose your phone? When did you lose your phone?
I lost it a few days ago. I lost it a few days ago.
What did you do before going to sleep? What did you do before going to sleep?
I read a book. I read a book.
When did the teacher give homework? When did the teacher give homework?
She gave it yesterday. She gave it yesterday.
Did you read the instructions before starting? Did you read the instructions before starting?
Yes, I followed all the steps. Yes, I followed all the steps.
When did your parents return home? When did your parents return home?
They came back last night. They came back last night.
Have you played this game before? Have you played this game before?
Yes, it's really fun. Yes, it's really fun.
When did you finish your homework? When did you finish your homework?
2 hours ago, just before dinner. 2 hours ago, just before dinner.
When did you meet your friend? When did you meet your friend?
About an hour ago before I went to the bank. About an hour ago before I went to the bank.
When did he call you? When did he call you?
15 minutes ago, just before the meeting started. 15 minutes ago, just before the meeting started.
When did they arrive? When did they arrive?
They came 10 minutes ago, right before the rain started. They came 10 minutes ago, right before the rain started.
Did you submit the form? Did you submit the form?
Yes, I submitted it before class, almost 20 minutes ago. Yes, I submitted it before class, almost 20 minutes ago.
When did she go out? When did she go out?
Half an hour ago, before her sister came. Half an hour ago, before her sister came.
When did you take the medicine? When did you take the medicine?
I took it about an hour ago, before breakfast. I took it about an hour ago, before breakfast.
Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash the dishes?
Yes, before I left for work, around 2 hours ago. Yes, before I left for work, around 2 hours ago.
When did the kids sleep? When did the kids sleep?
They slept an hour ago, before their favorite show started. They slept an hour ago, before their favorite show started.
When did you charge your phone? When did you charge your phone?
Just 10 minutes ago, before I went to take a shower. Just 10 minutes ago, before I went to take a shower.
When did your brother get married? When did your brother get married?
He got married 6 months ago. He got married 6 months ago.
Did you call me before you left? Did you call me before you left?
Yes, I called you, but you didn't answer. Yes, I called you, but you didn't answer.
When did your friends visit you? When did your friends visit you?
They came 2 weeks ago. They came 2 weeks ago.
What did you do before you came here? What did you do before you came here?
I was shopping at the mall. I was shopping at the mall.
When did you get this job? When did you get this job?
I got it 3 years ago. I got it 3 years ago.
Did you have lunch before going to the meeting? Did you have lunch before going to the meeting?
Yes, I had a quick sandwich. Yes, I had a quick sandwich.
When did she start college? When did she start college?
She started 4 months ago. She started 4 months ago.
Did you stretch before your workout? Did you stretch before your workout?
Yes, I always do. Yes, I always do.
When did they build this house? When did they build this house?
It was built 10 years ago. It was built 10 years ago.
Have you met his parents before? Have you met his parents before?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
When did the lights go out? When did the lights go out?
About 30 minutes ago. About 30 minutes ago.
Did you see the doctor before coming here? Did you see the doctor before coming here?
Yes, I just saw him. Yes, I just saw him.
When did you start your YouTube channel? When did you start your YouTube channel?
6 months ago. 6 months ago.
What were you doing before the class started? What were you doing before the class started?
I was revising my notes. I was revising my notes.
When did you last go shopping? When did you last go shopping?
2 days ago. 2 days ago.
Did you clean the house before the guests came? Did you clean the house before the guests came?
Yes, I did it in the morning. Yes, I did it in the morning.
When did your dog get sick? When did your dog get sick?
He got sick a few days ago. He got sick a few days ago.
Did you charge your laptop before the meeting? Did you charge your laptop before the meeting?
Yes, it's fully charged. Yes, it's fully charged.
When did you plant these flowers? When did you plant these flowers?
I planted them last month. I planted them last month.
Have you seen this place before? Have you seen this place before?
Yes, it looks familiar. Yes, it looks familiar.
When did the movie start? When did the movie start?
It started an hour ago. It started an hour ago.
Should I reach before 5 p.m.? Should I reach before 5 p.m.?
Yes, please be on time. Yes, please be on time.
When did you wake up? When did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. about 2 hours ago. I woke up at 6 a.m. about 2 hours ago.
What did you do before joining this job? What did you do before joining this job?
I was studying. I was studying.
When did you meet her? When did you meet her?
I met her a month ago. I met her a month ago.
Did you pack your bag before going to bed? Did you pack your bag before going to bed?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
When did it start raining? When did it start raining?
It started 20 minutes ago. It started 20 minutes ago.
Have you been to this place before? Have you been to this place before?
Yes, I've been here with my family once. Yes, I've been here with my family once.
When did he get to the station? When did he get to the station?
He arrived 15 minutes ago. He arrived 15 minutes ago.
Have you talked to her before? Have you talked to her before?
Yes, a few times. Yes, a few times.
When did you come home? When did you come home?
I came home 2 hours ago. I came home 2 hours ago.
Have you seen this movie before? Have you seen this movie before?
Yes, it's really interesting. Yes, it's really interesting.
When did you eat? When did you eat?
I ate 30 minutes ago. I ate 30 minutes ago.
Did you wash your hands before eating? Did you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
When did you buy this bag? When did you buy this bag?
I bought it a week ago. I bought it a week ago.
Have you ever been here before? Have you ever been here before?
No, this is my first time. No, this is my first time.
When did he leave? When did he leave?
He left 10 minutes ago. He left 10 minutes ago.
What were you doing before lunch? What were you doing before lunch?
I was cleaning my room. I was cleaning my room.
When did she call you? When did she call you?
She called me yesterday. She called me yesterday.
Have you seen that man before? Have you seen that man before?
Yes, I have, at the market once. Yes, I have, at the market once.
When did the bus leave? When did the bus leave?
It left 10 minutes ago. It left 10 minutes ago.
Did you speak to the teacher before class? Did you speak to the teacher before class?
Yes, I asked a question. Yes, I asked a question.
When did you see the doctor? When did you see the doctor?
I saw him 2 days ago. I saw him 2 days ago.
Did you get ready before 9 a.m.? Did you get ready before 9 a.m.?
Yes, I was ready by 8:30. Yes, I was ready by 8:30.
When did she come home? When did she come home?
She came just 5 minutes ago. She came just 5 minutes ago.
What did you do before breakfast? What did you do before breakfast?
I went for a walk. I went for a walk.
When did he arrive at school? When did he arrive at school?
He got here an hour ago. He got here an hour ago.
Did you go to the store before coming here? Did you go to the store before coming here?
Yes, I picked up some fruits. Yes, I picked up some fruits.
When did your vacation start? When did your vacation start?
It started a week ago. It started a week ago.
Did you lock the door before going to bed? Did you lock the door before going to bed?
Yes, every night. Yes, every night.
When did you see her last? When did you see her last?
I saw her 2 weeks ago, just before the festival. I saw her 2 weeks ago, just before the festival.
When did you leave the party? When did you leave the party?
An hour ago, before the guests came. An hour ago, before the guests came.
When did the rain stop? When did the rain stop?
30 minutes ago, just before I left home. 30 minutes ago, just before I left home.
When did you message me? When did you message me?
5 minutes ago, before you called. 5 minutes ago, before you called.
When did they eat? When did they eat?
1 hour ago, before the meeting. 1 hour ago, before the meeting.
Did you clean the room? Did you clean the room?
Yes, before they came. About 10 minutes ago. Yes, before they came. About 10 minutes ago.
When did she leave the house? When did she leave the house?
15 minutes ago, before the bell rang. 15 minutes ago, before the bell rang.
Did you ever see that movie before? Did you ever see that movie before?
Yes, I watched it 2 years ago. Yes, I watched it 2 years ago.
Did you eat lunch? Did you eat lunch?
Yes, an hour ago, before I came here. Yes, an hour ago, before I came here.
Did you call him? Did you call him?
Yes, before lunch, around 2 hours ago. Yes, before lunch, around 2 hours ago.